Technical Touching 24 blogspot.com.
Hey guys, this is an unboxing of Vivo X20. So let's start. The Vivo X20 feature a 3D arc design that is designed to provide a comfortable grip in your palm. The 1.8mm U-shaped antenna lines are seamlessly integrated into the device, using the new generation nano injection molding process. The rest of the body is finished with an ultra-fine zirconium sand spray process that gives it a silky smooth feel. The Vivo X20 has a 6.01-inch display with 18:9 ratio display that occupies 85.3% of the front of the phone. It is powered by the Snapdragon 660 paired with 4GB of RAM. Owners will be able to choose between 64GB or 128GB of expandable storage. The X20 has an hi-fi audio and packs a 3245 mAh battery under the hood. There is dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi, and a micro USB port for connectivity on both devices. There are also fingerprint scanners on the back of the phones that support payment and can control the cameras too. There is also a new Vivo game engine that greatly improves gameplay even for very demanding games. The game engine also makes sure that incoming calls or notifications do not affect gameplay. If you need to respond to messages from chat apps, a floating and resizable